Hey, once again, and this time we will be I will show you how we can make a listing perfect from the general listing. So if you go over to this and you just search one listing which is selling good, you will notice this listing have a color list, which color is available, and also it have a size chart, and each listing have a different images with the different colors. So basically, if you on the search bar or on the search, if you look over up to bottom which listing is selling good, they don't have any listing like the Printify does. Even you will not find any flat lay listing here. So that clearly saying that this listing will be not if we using this listing, there is less chance to have sell. So for this sake, at least we change some realistic images with our designs, and as we know, we have a subscription on the Placeit. So basically I just go over from the mockups to apparel, and then I select the sweatshirt, and then I just select as a best selling. So it's show the best selling option, and then here you can see the upload the design. So what I do, that is I just go over to here and I just drag it and I just place it here. Oops, I don't know what's happened here, but I think I have to manually select it, or probably I can just retry again. While you were working here, there can be actually there I think we have to have select from here. So it's saying file size is too big, maximum file size is 12 MB. 12 MB. So our file size is a little bit big. So what I will do, that is I will just make a copy of it. I will make it paste, and this type of thing is always come up, so you have to deal with it. And if you just go over to this design, it has chances to have some problem. So probably I will work with another images, probably this one. I just let me see. Oh, this is 13 MB, 13, this is 13. So okay, so for this one, I don't know why it's not working, but it's normally okay. So there is, I'm just showing you how we normally we make the images smaller whenever they have there, but I just showing you here, so I can just put it here. So that is rendering my images. Here you can see the images is already is rendered. So what I will do, that is this is a big one, so I think this image will, this is a totally think of, actually you can just think of something which will look some more realistic to you. So basically this one is look good to me. So what I will do, that is I will make the design a little bit shorter here and on the top, so it fitted good. So okay, so on white design I will probably download this. I will just click on the download, so it will generate the download for me here, as you can see. And then I will make the color black, sweatshirt color black. I will check some black with some black color how it looks, and which one looks good I will keep that. this one looks good with the sand, so I will just make it a download it one again. Here is the download link ready, so I will download that. And it's very important to keep that folder, because otherwise you will lose, I mean you will got lost. So I will download the sand folder as well, and the black one. Then I will just try to see which images they use. So they use a maroon, blue as well. So blue, I will just grab the color from here and I will make the color blue here. To check out how it looks. They're still rendering the images, but I will just here is the blue one is, but I would like to pick something different for the blue, so I'll probably keep this as a blue. Okay, I have 4 mockup ready. So what I will do, that is, but for this mockup actually, I mean this, for this one I have to cut the images. So what I will do, that is, there is a tool called Photopea, which is an online tool. I open it, then I will just grab the image from here to that Photopea. It will automatically loading, and then on from the image adjustment I will just image size, and I will make it a little bit less. And then hit OK. Then I will save it as a PNG image. So why this tool? You probably ask me, why this tool, why not the other tool? Because if the other tool don't have capability to make it PNG, so that's why this tool. I will make it chick one. Okay, so that's why I will just go over to this now. I will update the design, go to the mushroom, and as you can see, this time this is text. Okay, so I will just hit crop. I would like to see it on the white black background first, so I will select the black color from here, and then I will download it from this. Okay, so one, I'm just showing you how I whenever the image is not appropriate, how I get working with this. So that was the school, so I will create a folder called school sweatshirt, and as you can see I have a different folder for it. So I just go over to that, and then I will make it there. I have black, then I will go for the blue color, and probably I will pick another image for the blue. So so I pick this guy, I think. So for the blue I will keep her. So black and blue. So then I will go for the light pink, because these are the color which gonna be sell most, so you have to be very picky for that. So light for the light pink, this one look good, but this have the image. Okay, just go over to it. Okay, we have 3. So at last we just go over to that, and I will go over to the sand, which is this. And for sand I will take this. Okay, so we have 4. Probably another one black, but that's up to you. Then I will go to the listing edit, and while we have the design, I mean the school sweatshirt here, we will need another 2 things, that is a side chart, which I already have, like this, and this the color chart. Sometimes I also use this and this, like this and this, but sometimes I use this. So it's up to you how you want to use that. So here, mushroom school sweatshirt. Okay, so I have to check if there any file is more than 10 Mbps, then it will be not uploaded to the Esty. So here you go. Then we have the I think we have the sand, the light pink also. Okay, let me just drag these 2, sand and light pink. I will just drag it here. Then I will remove the blue, and I will remove this one, so I can have some more room to add the images. So now I will add the black and this blue. Now I delete the black, and I will just delete this, so I can add 2 images more. So yeah, these 2. This is the sizing chart and the coloring chart. Okay, and then what I will do, that is I will just bring these images to the fall on the first forehand. Then I will just adjust the listing, so it visibly clear. But this is a cross one, so I don't think this is bad one, but I prefer to have something which more straight, so I will probably use this as a listing. You might tell me why you not use the human one, or which one have the printify. The reason is that is too natural, that is easily identifiable. So there are a lot of people out there who will not simply click on that, because they will see that and they will see that is not a company which have some own models. So that is the reason. So yeah, I'm done with that, and then I will hit the publish again. My friend is almost do that for me, but I just make them published, So here you have the perfect listing, and this is called a perfect listing. So if you go over to these pages now, I would like to just go over to you, and if you go over to the listing, I had been published almost 30 to 35 listing and there is more than 50 on the draft, and also there is 55 on the expired. And as you can see, all the listing he did, they have the custom listing images. Also he work on these stuffs. So basically you can understand now what it actually takes as a real listing, or probably a listing takes. Hopefully that will give you a good idea about it. Thanks.